We are the seagull whisperers. Obey us. Bro, look at all these seagulls, bro. We got my sister. Yeah. Anyway, here are all these seagulls. These seagulls want the quackers. Right, Totis? They want the quackers. Feed the children. Feed the pedo. Oh no. Bro, the people are gonna be like, what in the hell are they doing? Tootie's are getting you up. Tootie's are... Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I swear to there's just some police over here. Oh my god. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough. No more for them. No more. Bro, there's no, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Well, that's enough feeding for seagulls. Don't look at me. Girl, it was your idea. No, it wasn't. You threw me a pack. It was like, give me two packs. 2 more packs. Well, at first you said go feed them, and I'm like, okay, yeah, sure, let's go. Oh, shit. I didn't remember. I mean, look at all these seagulls. They're humble, and they're greedy as well. Look at the fat one. You're so cute. I know, right? I want a pet seagull. No. Lodi, they're surrounding us. Oh my god, they're surrounding us. Bro, one has fucking Cheeto dust on its beak. It has Cheeto dust. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. What was going on? Oh my god. Look at the cutie. Look at the cutie patootie. Oh my god, look at the one that's just getting the crumbs. That one's my favorite one. The dude's getting the crumbs. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. This is majestic.